Hi, so you cast your first stitches. If you haven't, please have a look at my video how to cast stitches. And now we'll try to knit. The abbreviation in any of the books will say K for knit. I will show you how to do it continental style. In my opinion, it is a much easier way of knitting. You put a yarn over your index finger and you're holding the tension with your middle finger. You start knitting. You pull through, loop it, pull it in. Make sure your tension is even on each stitch. The first stitch on the next row, please slip through. Don't knit it. That will create a very nice edge. When you do the slipping of the first one, make sure you don't loop your thread here. It will create a little knob on the side. Slip it, having the thread on the inside. And keep on moving. Extra rows. As you can tell, the edge has a nice side to it, so if you're making a, let's say, a scarf, you won't have to do anything extra. And here's your final look.